Before humanity, before civilization, before the first breath of mankind ever touched this planet, Earth was a world of absolute chaos, a burning sphere of fire floating through the endless darkness of space. No oceans, no forests, no life, only violence, only destruction, only survival. 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was born from cosmic dust and raging collisions. Asteroids slammed into the young Earth with unimaginable force. Volcanoes erupted across the surface without end, turning the planet into a living hell. The sky itself burned red, and beneath the oceans of lava, the foundations of our world were slowly taking shape. Lightning tore through the toxic atmosphere, while poisonous gases covered the planet like a deadly blanket. There was no oxygen, no calm, no silence, only storms powerful enough to reshape continents. But then, something extraordinary began to happen. As Earth slowly cooled, water vapor trapped in the atmosphere condensed into rain. And that rain did not fall for hours or days. It fell for millions of years. The endless storms flooded the planet, forming the first oceans in Earth's history. Dark, violent, and completely alien. Deep beneath those ancient waters, hidden near volcanic vents on the ocean floor, something miraculous emerged. Tiny microscopic organisms, the first life forms ever created on Earth. Fragile, invisible, yet powerful enough to change the future of the planet forever. These primitive organisms began transforming the oceans, slowly releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, and over millions of years, Earth began to breathe. The skies cleared, the oceans stabilized, and life evolved into forms never seen before. Gigantic creatures ruled the ancient seas. Massive reptiles thundered across endless jungles. The age of dinosaurs had begun. For millions of years, they dominated the planet. Untouchable, unchallenged, the true kings of Earth. But nature has never promised permanence. A catastrophic asteroid, traveling millions of miles through space, collided with Earth in an instant of unimaginable destruction. The impact unleashed firestorms across the globe. The skies turned black, temperatures collapsed, and the reign of the dinosaurs came to an end. Yet even after mass extinction, life refused to disappear. Small mammals hiding beneath the shadows of giants survived the apocalypse, and from those survivors, a new chapter of evolution quietly began. Forests returned, rivers carved through the land once more, and deep within these ancient wildernesses, early primates emerged, creatures driven by instinct, curiosity, and survival. Their eyes watched the world differently, their minds slowly adapted, and over countless generations, those primitive ancestors would begin the long journey toward intelligence, toward consciousness, toward humanity itself. Every storm, every extinction, every moment of destruction throughout Earth's violent history had unknowingly prepared the planet for one species, us. Because before humanity conquered the Earth itself had to survive billions of years of chaos first.